Hello my beautiful friends, thank you for clicking on to this video. Today we are going to make a fabulous skincare recipe using some baking soda. I call it better than Botox because it gives a lot more younger looking skin and it clears up all the dullness and black spots from our face. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll be needing some baking soda, which is beneficial for our face. It clears up all the dark spots from our face and it is a very good exfoliator. So get hold of some baking soda, and the next ingredient is raw honey, organic wild raw honey. You can take the manuka honey and don't use a sugar syrup. And this product is the most important ingredient in our recipe. It is called as the frankincense oil. It is very beneficial for our face. It reduces the sensation of redness, swellings, itchiness, and all the inflammations in our skin. It soothes our face. So get hold of a bottle of frankincense oil. I will leave the links in the description box below so that you can buy it. And the next thing we'll be needing is the lavender oil or the tea tree oil. For maximum benefits, you can use these. And it is moisturizing to the face, and it also gives a very good spa effect. If you don't have those oils, you can use the kumkumadi oil. I will leave the links in the description box below. Or else you can also use the bio oil or any face oil. Bio oil is available in every house, right? So for moisturizing sake you can use it. So let's get started. So in a bowl, take some baking soda. I'll be taking about 2 whole tablespoons of baking soda. If you're using it on your face, 2 tablespoons is enough. If you're using it on your neck or any other parts of the body, you can take more. And here you'll be adding some raw honey. Add raw honey to make it into a mixture. Mix it well so that you melt the baking soda a bit so that it is not harsh on your face. Keep on mixing it until it becomes nice and smooth. Now we'll be adding frankincense oil into the mixture. So if you have a pure frankincense oil, right, you can add about 2 to 3 drops of it. Here I have a mixture of frankincense oil and myrrh oil and all, so I am adding a little bit more. It smells really great. Now add in the essential oils. If it is lavender oil, you will be adding about 1 or 2 drops. And here I'm using kumkumadi oil, so I'm adding a little bit more because it's really moisturizing to your skin. And the exfoliation will work well on my dry face. If you have a dry face, do add more of the oil. It is a very powerful exfoliator, so you can use it maximum twice a month. It will give the needed benefits. Mix it well. So I'll show you how to apply it on your face. Take a little bit of the scrub and apply it on your face, like scrub it all over your face. You can use it on your neck and your face. It acts like the Botox because it acts as a filler and it gives a more firmer and younger looking skin. Scrub it nicely onto your face. Keep it on for 20 minutes because it will also act as a face mask. To wash it off, you will need some warm water, lukewarm water, and put a damp cloth in it and just exfoliate it off your face. Don't do it too harshly on your face. There will be a little bit of redness on your face, but it's gonna go away. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will be of great encouragement to me. So do try this recipe at home, and leave your queries and comments in the comment section below, so that I'll be able to make more good videos. So like, share and subscribe for more beauty videos, and do recommend it to your friends. Thank you for watching.